Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you have ever wondered which apps or websites are connected to your Google account, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to see and manage connected apps for your Google account directly from your phone or PC. So let's get started. First, open your browser, navigate to your search engine and go to myaccount.google.com. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Now scroll left or swipe to the security tab and tap on it. Now scroll down until you reach this section called third-party apps with account access and tap see all connections. Here you will see a list of all apps, websites or services that are connected to your Google account. These apps may have access to your Gmail, contacts, Drive or other Google services. Tap on any app you don't recognize or don't use anymore. Okay, let me go with this one. Then tap delete all connections and tap confirm. Scroll further down to check for any app passwords you have created for old logins. You can revoke those too for extra security. And that's how you view and manage all apps connected to your Google account. It's always a good idea to review these regularly for privacy and security. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.